Hi my friends, my name's Justine, I'm the Mermaid seamstress, and today I'll be teaching you how to open your eyes underwater. So this is probably the most requested video I've ever had on my channel, and the most common question I get on any of my swimming videos is how I open my eyes underwater. And so today I'm going to give you tips on how I learned to open my eyes underwater, as well as some tips to making yourself more comfortable when you do have your eyes open underwater. I think this video is going to be the first of a series on how to look more natural when you're swimming or modeling underwater. And I plan to be covering how I hold my breath comfortably underwater, and how I swim, get upside down without getting water at my nose. If there's anything else that you want to ask me about how to look more relaxed or natural underwater, please leave it in the comments below, and make sure, if you want to see those videos, to subscribe and click the bell notification button to be notified when those come out. Now, when I first learned how to open my eyes underwater, it was kind of a party trick, to be honest. It's like, ooh, I can do that. And the way I did it was I actually practiced in the bathtub. And I know that sounds really strange, but it's easier to start with fresh, clean water that doesn't have too much chlorine or other chemicals in it, or other debris in it to irritate your eyes. So you can start with the bathtub, in the sink, just fill the sink with water, or fill a bowl with water, stick your face in with your eyes closed, and once your face is submerged, try opening your eyes for a short period of time, and build up the time of how long you can open your eyes. And then you can kind of repeat that in the pool, submerging yourself, opening your eyes underwater for a short period of time, and holding your eyes open for longer and longer until you feel comfortable with that. A lot of times, at least for me, and I know for a lot of other people, you never really get over the fact that your eyes do sting a little bit when they open underwater, especially in a chlorine pool or in salt water. It's just normal, and it's about getting used to that discomfort to make you look relaxed and kind of relaxing through that discomfort. Because if you're constantly like this, then you probably, it's best for you to wear goggles. And there's no shame in that. If you feel like you're more comfortable wearing goggles, that's totally fine. But you're not going to look great in pictures if you're constantly squinting and your face is really tense because you have water in your eyes and you're uncomfortable. So here are some tips for once you've learned how to open your eyes underwater, how to avoid discomfort at all costs and making your eyes less comfortable underwater. The first tip is using gentille eye gel both before and after you swim. So gentille eye gel, I don't have a bottle with me because it's in my swim bag down in my locker, but here's what it looks like. It's basically the same thing as eye drops, but it's thicker. So it actually coats your eyes, and it does blur your vision a little bit, but you're going to be swimming, so your vision's going to be blurred anyway. And what you do is you just put in a couple of drops before you swim, and then when you open your eyes underwater, you have a little bit of protection from the chlorine, and it keeps your eyes from stinging too bad. And then you can also reapply it as needed throughout your swim and use it after your swim as well to help soothe your eyes and to prevent your eyes from feeling dry and stingy after your swim. And it's a really good way to take care of your eyes. Tip number 2 to keeping your eyes comfortable underwater is to avoid blasting fast water or any current in your face. This can be, if you're swimming behind somebody, or if you accidentally swim up to a jet, or even if you accidentally just go like this underwater and you get fast moving water in your eyes. It can sting a little bit more because of that pressure and because of how much water is going in your eyes, and it can cause your eyes to get redder and more irritated. And so avoiding that can help you stay a little bit more comfortable underwater. My third tip for staying more comfortable underwater is not to get bubbles in your eyes. This goes hand in hand with not getting fast water in your eyes, but getting bubbles in your eyes will cause your air pockets to form across your eyes, and it can make your eyes really red and irritated, and it can make it extremely uncomfortable to get to swim. So I recommend, you know, if you're blowing bubble hearts or bubble kisses, just make sure that you blow them away from you. And if you're going head first and you're doing a dive in the water, don't, you know, force bubbles down right in front of your face. I did that on my last swim video and it hurt a lot. And it was really hard to keep my face relaxed and my eyes relaxed when they were hurting. I think I was like going like this the whole time. So not fun. And then the fourth tip that I have is blink. And that may sound weird because blinking is usually used to hydrate your eyes when they've been exposed to the air too long, but the same thing applies underwater. You know, obviously the composition of your tears and the fluid that is hydrating your eyes is different from the salt water, so closing your eyes will give your body a chance to flush out the water and rehydrate with properly balanced fluids. You know, closing your eyes can be artistic. Like you can close your eyes and pretend to be sleeping or pretend to be really relaxed underwater, and it looks really good underwater and you're giving your eyes a little bit of a break. Along with that, tip number 5 is actually giving your eyes a break. You know, your eyes are really sensitive and you don't want to do any damage to them. So if you are training or you're doing another thing where you don't have to have your eyes open underwater, I recommend wearing goggles or, you know, closing your eyes underwater. It's, you know, take a day off from swimming with your eyes open underwater. It's better for your eyes. Our eyes are really sensitive and delicate, and if you get, you know, if you overexpose them to chlorine or other chemicals or even salt water, you can actually end up damaging your eyes long term, and that's really just not fun for anyone. Nobody wants to go blind. So take care of your eyes. Make sure that you're swimming in areas where you know the water is safe to open your eyes in, and that, you know, you're taking care of your eyes. If you do end up getting something in your eyes, flush it out with clean water. And if you get any infections or, you know, lacerations to your eyes, I've gotten a couple times, like scratches on my cornea from when I got sand in my eyes by accident from keeping them open underwater at the beach. Make sure that you go to a doctor and get that checked out so that, you know, you don't end up damaging your eyes further by accident. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below. Comment below with any comments or questions or any other videos you want to see on how to look more natural underwater. Just let me know in the comments below. As always, happy swimming, swim safe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, fish friends.